Hello students, today I have brought remaining part of passive voice. In my previous videos you have read passive voice based on tense and many other things. Here we have to read today active voice, which is interrogative sentence, how we can change into passive. For this I have to request one thing, that you watch the video very carefully and try to find out or catch the technique which I am presenting here, and any kind of active voice you can convert into passive easily if it is interrogative sentence. So let us start the video, watch it till the end. Interrogative sentence mostly begins with do, does, did, auxiliary verb, model auxiliary verb, or WH word, relative pronoun, which, what, when, how, who, whose, whom. So these all the words appear in the beginning of interrogative sentence and you can recognize it easily. Today certain steps will be explained by me and you have to catch it, because only this step, only this technique will make you capable of changing active voice into passive. So, do you eat bread? Okay, this is interrogative sentence. You see, it begins with do. Any interrogative sentence, it begins with these words, any one of these words in the beginning. So how you will convert them into passive? For this, steps will be explained here with technique. Step number 1, see. Step 1, change the sentence into affirmative. Okay, step number 1 this is. And second step, change into passive. And third step, use auxiliary verb or model verb in the beginning. Okay. Okay. See, 3 steps, and this is second step, step number 2, this is step number 3. 3 steps, and after this there is nothing and nothing. You are so pleased, very peaceful, very happy. Any active voice which is interrogative sentence you can convert into passive voice. See these steps here. What you have to do? First, in first step, the sentence should be changed into affirmative. So what do you think? should be affirmative of this interrogative sentence. Affirmative will be you eat bread. Step number 1, I am following for you. You eat bread. You eat bread. Okay? Actually, what I want to say, the word which I have written, the word which is written in the beginning of interrogative sentence, you have to either replace if it is do, does, did, or if auxiliary or modal verb, you have to write after subject. It will be transformed into affirmative. You eat bread. So, this is first step. Second step, change into passive. Now this sentence you have to change into passive. This sentence. Step number 2, you have to change into passive. You have to change into passive this sentence which you have written into affirmative. You eat bread. Then second step, passive voice. Bread is eaten by you, because this is simple present. Bread is eaten by you. Okay, bread is eaten by you. Now this is your passive voice. And your third step is here, use auxiliary or modal verb in the beginning. So what is auxiliary verb or modal verb in the passive voice? It is here. No. So is bread eaten by you, and question mark should be given, because third step is your final answer of interrogative sentence. Therefore, in passive active voice, question mark is not changed, like narration. So this third step is your final answer, because your interrogative sentence contains question mark. Your passive voice also should contain question mark. That is your third step. But let me write some more instances so that your concept will be very clear and correct. Let me write another sentence. They solved the problem. Okay? This is interrogative sentence. This interrogative sentence begins with auxiliary verb had. This is interrogative, this is active voice. Okay? So, you have to follow 3 steps which I have explained. In first step, what should be done? In first step, you have to convert this sentence into affirmative. Okay? So what should be affirmative of this? This auxiliary verb you will write after subject. Means step number 1 this is. Okay? They had solved the problem. Okay? Problem. Now step number 2. In second step you have to change into passive. So what is passive of this? The problem this is singular because you have to write here has. This is present perfect tense, you can see. This is present perfect tense, and according to present perfect tense you have to write this passive voice. No, you have read earlier. The problem has been solved by them. Okay? You know present perfect tense, what is a special word or important word or necessary word? That is been here. In my previous video I have explained all these things, techniques, that is. So now this is second step. In first step we have changed the sentence into affirmative. In second step we have changed the sentence into passive voice. This sentence we have changed into passive voice here. Okay? And in third step you have read, you have seen auxiliary verb or modal verb which looks in the second step. It is here. Okay? Yes. Use in the beginning. Has the problem been solved by them? Because this is interrogative sentence and it contains question mark here, you have to use question mark here. Okay? Now you have read this. Let us take another example. Suppose your active voice is interrogative sentence and it begins with WH word, means relative pronoun like who, whose, where, when, or all those WH words I am talking. Before reading WH question for passive voice, you have to do one thing. In the last video you have read a specially used word of passive voice. For each of the tense you can see in the last video, you must remember that special words have been used like simple present. So for simple present, what is a special word? Is, are, am. Present continuous, you know it is B-E-I-N-G, be. Present perfect, B-E-E-N, be. Like this. You have to keep in mind before you solve active voice or into passive. And that is especially interrogative, WH, interrogative means. Okay. Now, if you keep special words in the mind, general rule of active passive voice you have to follow. See, this word you have to convert into by whom. By whom. It is only. Just after this, other relative pronouns, other WH words, you don't need to change. As they are, you can use in the same way. When or where, no problem. Okay? So, let us begin WH question. For WH question, if your active voice contains modal auxiliary verb, see here, who can teach you. Okay. See, this interrogative sentence, this active voice contains modal auxiliary verb here. Okay, and it is WH question. So for WH question, immediately you write WHO, who, immediately write by whom. By whom. Okay? And for modal auxiliary verb, one special word you have to remember, it is be. it is be. You have to use be for model auxiliary verb. Active voice, interrogative, if it contains model auxiliary verb, can, could, may, might, will, must, any. This especially used word is be. You have to use in the answer, means in the passive voice. Let me write one construction here for you. WH word, okay, plus WH dot dot, okay, WH word, any, who, whose, whom, when, why, any, that is given in question, and model verb here, model verb, here object, B plus V3 and question mark, okay. WH word plus model verb that is available in the question, object, for this question U is object here, no, it will be used here, plus B plus V3. So if this is the question, what should be your answer? No, who will be changed into by who. Only this is relative pronoun which is changed into by whom. Other relative pronouns are not changed, as they are in the same way they are written down. I will take some more examples after this. So let us solve this question. Who can teach you? Your answer should be by whom. Model verb you can see here. By whom can. Here I said it is object because, so can you be taught? V3. Question mark should be given. We should not forget question mark. In active passive voice, question mark is not omitted here. Okay. So next example. Why could Julia write such a letter? Question mark. This is interrogative sentence. It is WH question. It begins with why. Again, this WH word immediately you have to write down. Immediately. This is model auxiliary verb. Okay. So you can follow this construction I have written here. Okay. If this is, so this is your object, such a letter, and this is your verb. This is, you can say, subject. Why could Julia write such a letter? So follow this. Immediately write down. WH word immediately write down. And after this, general rules of active passive voice you can follow. So why model verb could. Why could. Object, such a letter. Such a letter be written by Julia. Is it okay? In the construction, in the bracket, it will be good. If it is necessary, you can use by here. Okay? If it is necessary. Always it is not necessary. Sometimes. So you have seen WH question can be changed into passive like this. But what will you do if your WH question doesn't contain modal auxiliary verb? It contains only auxiliary verb, is, are, has, have, was, were, had in this case. No? So let's try next one. For such question, suppose who is reading newspaper, okay? Is reading newspaper. This is interrogative sentence, this is active voice. It is WH question you are looking, and it begins with who. It is present continuous tense. It begins with auxiliary is. Maybe there can be another auxiliary like has, have, was, where I told you. For this, for such question where modal auxiliary verb is absent, there can be this construction: WH word plus auxiliary if it is available, okay, plus who is reading newspaper. This is your object, okay. Especially used word, let me say, especially used word. I told you earlier about this. What is especially used word? It is about the tense. It is talking about the tense. Tense of passive voice I am talking. Okay. So those words you have to keep in the mind. You have to use, and I home in plus V3 is okay. So let us try to convert this active voice into passive. As you have read, who will be changed into whom? We may follow the construction. No, who will be changed into by whom? By whom, okay? By whom? Plus is given here in the construction. Auxiliary means in the question is given by. So your complete answer will be by whom is newspaper being read. It is based on the construction given here. No. Now we will talk about interrogative sentence, that is WH question. It is simple present or simple past. There will be little change there. No. So let us talk about it. Who wrote the book? Who wrote the book? So, who you will change into by whom? By whom? What is the important word of simple past? This is simple past tense, or especially used word in the time of changing active into passive. It is was or were. By whom was the book written? And question mark. For such question that is simple present or simple past, no, your construction should be like this. WH word, I am talking simple present or simple past, no. WH word, specially used word after this. Specially used word, okay, plus object plus V3, okay. Yes, this is simple present or simple past. This is for simple present or simple past, okay. Like this, many questions can be solved. Okay students, I strongly expect that you have got very interesting and easy idea of converting active voice into passive voice if it is interrogative sentence. Subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you can receive all the updated videos. Like it and share to your friends, family and relatives. Thank you for watching it.